What's up, everyone? This is Elijah with Financial Anatomy, the place where you can learn how to take control of your financial destiny. On this channel, we talk about a variety of things involving personal finance, including investing. And in this video, we'll be talking about the Public app and how you can buy a stock using the app. Now, this is assuming that you have money inside the app to buy a stock with. If you haven't deposited funds into your account, you want to check this video out so you can figure out how to do that. Assuming that you have money ready to go to invest inside the Public app, we're going to move over to my phone so I can show you how you can buy a stock using the app. So let's move over to my phone. So first, we're going to open the Public app. And as we see, I have a little over $10 to invest, and it has an option to get started. So we're going to click on that. And from here, you're going to be presented with a series of stocks and cryptos that you can buy. Now, if you see anything that catches your interest, you can obviously click on it and buy it. You can also directly search for a stock too, which is the method that we're going to use. So I'm going to type in AT&T, and their ticker pops up. I'm going to click on it, and the AT&T stock has appeared. It has various information on this page that you can use to make an informed decision on whether you want to buy the stock or not. As we can see at the time of this recording, AT&T had an earnings call yesterday. You can see the company's evaluation, their earnings, and other information such as the market cap, dividend yield, and other things you can use to make an informed decision. Now, we're not going to cover exactly how to look at information to evaluate a stock. If you want to know more about investing for beginners, I recommend you check this video out that I've done on the subject. Moving on to actually buying the stock, you're going to click on invest, and in this case we're going to buy a fractional stock, since you can do that on the Public app. So we're going to invest $10 worth of stock into AT&T. Once you've entered the amount, right to the next button, you'll have the option to choose what kind of order you want this to be. So let's go over the orders briefly. We have market buy as much stock as possible for a set dollar amount. We have buy slices, buy as much stock as possible for a set dollar amount. We have buy shares now, buy whole shares at the lowest price available right now. That's basically just removing any fractional shares that you would be buying. So for instance, if I had enough money to buy 6.5 shares of AT&T and I chose to buy shares now, it would just buy 6, and the rest of the money that we use for that half would not be invested. Moving on, we have buy when price is dropping, buy whole shares at the lowest price available when the stock drops to a set price. And we have buy when price is rising, buy whole shares at the lowest price available when the stock rises to a set price. The last two are more strategic when you're looking to buy at certain times in the market to fit an investing strategy. In this video is for demonstration purposes, so we're going to stick with the first one. I'm going to click on that, and then I'm going to click on next. It's asking if I want to do it. It's just confirming. I'm going to go ahead and click on submit, and boom, I have now bought $10 worth of AT&T shares, and it lets me know the details of the transaction. As for how long it takes for the money to actually be invested, that usually takes 1 to 2 business days, assuming you have the money inside your Public account. If you don't, Public will pull the money from your debit card or bank account, and that could extend it an extra business day. If you followed the visual instructions, you now know how to buy stock using the Public app. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. And if you haven't signed up for the Public app yet and you have an interest in doing so, you can do so using the link in the description or the pinned comment. Doing so will get you a free stock based on what promotion is going on with Public at the time. Full disclosure, that is an affiliate link, so it does go towards supporting the channel. If you like this video, a thumbs up is very much appreciated, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new. If you have more interest in the Public app, you can check out my playlist that I've done on the app, answering more questions on how to navigate it. It's been Elijah of Financial Anatomy. Don't forget to get out there and take control of your financial destiny. I will catch you in the next video.